Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable high contrast keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So swipe up, go to settings, scroll all the way down to general management, tap on that. Then you want to find your Samsung keyboard settings, tap on that. Now from here scroll down to where you'll find the high contrast keyboard, and from here you simply have to just toggle it on in order to enable the high contrast keyboard. And as you can see below in blue, it says black letters on a yellow keypad. So that's how it will look. So that's it, guys. You can easily tap on that and you can see how it will look. You can also choose between different ones. So as you can see, the black letters on yellow keypad will show, or you can choose the white letters on black keypad, or you can choose the yellow letters on black keypad or the white letters and blue keypad. You can choose it, but that's how it looks. You can basically choose whichever one you like best and just basically use it from now on. That's how you can easily enable the high contrast keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope you find this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.